All right, everyone, welcome. We are going to take a look at Blur here. So I know the chart looks a little bit messy, but I'm going to explain it all. You can see that from the high back here to the low, the price of Blur smacked right into the 786 here with these last two candles. Of course, wicking over it, making this new high here. But ultimately, you are above the 200-day EMA here. You can see it's right above the 236 at 3.4 here. So I would say, let's go ahead and get this off of the chart. I did mark some red lines up to the upside here. Let me mark one more for that high from back there. So potential targets if this thing is going to continue going and stay over that 200-day EMA. So we're going to get those off of the chart. And we're going to do the upside really quick since that's what we're talking about. So from where you are right now, if you move back up about 10%, get over 40 cents on Blur, potential next stop would be that high at 4.4 for a 20% move, and then your first stop after that is 5.2 for about a 42-43% move to the upside on Blur. So the big question on your mind is the top end here. So we went from the low to the high, and you can see if you can stay over the 236 here and that 200-day EMA, potentially dropping about another almost 6% to that 3.4 area, then you are still extremely bullish. And I would say once you take out the 200-day EMA, the top is probably in, but you are still technically bullish if you come down to your 382 at 30. So potentially a 16% drop in play here if you're going to end up doing something like this and holding, or you're going to come down to that 382 and maybe do something like that. But like I said, you really want to hold on to the 200-day EMA. Everything's curling up here. The 21's above the 50, above the 100. So it's looking bullish right now. It's just all going to depend on the support here. You really want to hold that 200-day slash the 236 at 34.5 cents here on Blur for this thing to remain extremely bullish here. So just keep an eye on those prices. The momentum clearly is up. It is bullish at the moment. Watch those prices. And before we end this, the Heikin-Ashi candles are printing green still, so this thing may continue going. I would just focus on the support levels here and see if they hold. So with that said, good luck everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.